This is after going through the hailstorm. Coming back from Zanesville. Got crap all over my car. I hate to think of what it looks like on top of the car. Well, the sunroof isn't broken. Well, there you go. There's a dent there. Oh yeah, they're all over the front, the hood. Oh my, yep. There's a dent there, there. Yep, all over the door. Oh, right there's a good one right there. Right there. 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 Oh yeah, they're all over the chrome. Oh yeah. Oh, look at across there. Yeah. Yeah. That's a write-off. 2009. They probably won't touch it. See ya.